How are you? I think you are all well in this pandemic time. I am also well. I am Samina Akhtar, lecturer of English in Kripalpur Islamia Ali Madrasa. Today is my first class in this online. Today I have to take from first paper English for today. In this pandemic time, I think you are all well. You are stay in home and be safe. Okay, now we start our lesson. We have to study from unit 4, lesson 5. We have to study unit 4, lesson 5. The name of this lesson is Kuakata, the daughter of the sea. Kuakata, daughter of the sea. Do you know the name of Kuakata? Do you hear the name Kuakata? Yes, it is a southernmost part of Bangladesh. Kuakata. Do you hear the name Sagorkonna? Sagorkonna. It means Sagorer Konna. It means Sagorer Konna. It's daughter of the sea. In Bangladesh, Sagorkonna is called by the Kuakata. Kuakata is the name of Sagorkonna. It is the most southern post of Bangladesh. Southern post, it means একদম দক্ষিণ কোণায়. It means একদম দক্ষিণ কোণায়. Southern post of Bangladesh. It is a little part of Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal means Bangoposagar. Bangoposagar. Okay, now we start. Kuakata, locally known as Sagorkonna. Kuakata, locally it is known Sagorkonna. It is in Patuakhali district. Patuakhali district is the most southern part of Bangladesh. Patuakhali is in Borishal. Patuakhali, Kuakata is a small area. It is in length 30 km and breadth 6 km. 30 km length, 30 km breadth 6 km. It is in Lotachapali Union, Kolapara Police Station in Patuakhali district, which is near 70 km away from Patuakhali district and 350 km from Dhaka district. Okay, you see, it is 70 km from Patuakhali headquarter. Patuakhali headquarter and 320 km from Dhaka. It is very scenic spot. It's a attractive area. For its nature, it is the most attractive area of Bangladesh and also in the world. Okay. And combination of its natural scene shimmering water of expanse of vast water of the Bay of Bengal and its sandy island makes it more attractive. Okay, now we see where come from কুয়াকাটার নামটা কোথা থেকে এসেছে, কুয়াকাটার নামটা কোথা থেকে এসেছে? কুয়াকাটার নামটা, this name কুয়াকাটা is origin from word কুয়া। কুয়া, তোমরা কি কুয়া দেখো? হ্যাঁ, ছোট পানি সংগ্রহ করার যেই পুকুরের মত ছোট, সেটা হবে আকারে ছোট, এটাকে বলে কুয়া। কুয়াতে সাধারণত তোমরা টিভিতে বা এখন দেখা যায় না, তবে টিভিতে অনেক সময় দেখা যায়, অনেক আগের নাটকগুলোতে দেখা যায় ওই যে বালতি করে পানি তুলছে, এই ধরনের কুয়াকাটা, এগুলাকে বলে কুয়া। তো কুয়াকাটার নামটা এসেছে কুয়া থেকে। ইট মিনস কুয়া, কুয়া ইংরেজি ওয়েল, ওয়েল। কুয়াকাটা is a origin from the word kuwa or well, which is dug for the Arakans in their Kuakata. In this place, Arakans are expelled by the Mughals. When they come in this area, they dug well for the fresh water because the sea water is salty. For that, they need fresh water. So they dug well, and it means kuwa. And by in the following for this also dug many kuwa, and that is kuakata. For this it called kuakata. Tarpore kuakata is one of the unique spots of the Bangladesh. From this area we also see sunrise and sunset, and it is most attractive for the visitors. For the visitors it is most attractive. It is, and its slopes of sandy island, it makes it more attractive. Okay, now we say Kuakata is truly a virgin land. Kuakata is truly a virgin. Do you know what is virgin? Yes, virgin means unmarried. Virgin. Kuakata is a virgin area and it is a sanctuary station. Sanctuary, S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-Y. Sanctuary area for the migratory winter birds. Sanctuary means আশ্রয় স্থল for winter birds. শীতের পাখি, শীতের পাখিদের জন্য কুয়াকাটাটা হচ্ছে একটা আশ্রয় স্থল। শীতকালে এই সমস্ত পাখিগুলা সাইবেরিয়া থেকে এসে বাংলাদেশের বিভিন্ন জলাশয়ে এরা থাকে। তো কুয়াকাটা এলাকাটাও হচ্ছে, কুয়াকাটার এই সমুদ্র পাড়টাতেও অতিথি পাখি এসে আশ্রয় নেয়। এছাড়া দেখো, fishing boats plying in the Bay of Bengal and surfing of the there are many colors, and inland coconut trees are also very much attractive in this area. It is also the community of the Arakans. The community of the Arakans and the Buddhist temples, 1,000 years ago Buddhist temples are also made these things a traditional place. For this, every year many devotees came here for their bath. They take bath in this area. They in the Rakhain and Rash Purnima, Maghi Purnima, devotees came here and they take bath in this area. So it is called Sagarkonna because in this area is very attractive and very wonderful. Okay. Today we have studied this সাগর কন্যা, please take home, stay at home and stay safe. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.